we are heading to Rojas Night Market in Davao City.
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Doreen. I love sharing little glimpses of life in the province and showing you the amazing tourist spots we have around here. But today, I'm super excited because we're going to tour Davao City. Let's head out and have some fun adventures together. So this is the part 2 of my vlog in Davao City. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will put the link in the description below. Tonight, we're taking you on an exciting adventure here at the famous Rojas Night Market in Davao City. So we'll try tasty and unique foods and I'll share my favorites. So you'll know what to eat on your next visit. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Now, let's go check it out.
Chicken skin.
Let's try the chicken skin first since matagal ko na gustong kumain ito. This costs only 30 pesos. Ang tigas ng chicken skin, ang hirap tusukin at ayaw ko naman kamayin guys. At nakalimutan ko rin humiin ng plastic na cellophane. Dahil medyo matigas siya, medyo masakit siyang nguyain. Parang nasobrahan ata ng luto. So I will rate this as 4 out of 10. But no worries because I will look for a different vendor later dahil may recommendation ang kapatid ko na marang masarap na chicken skin pero medyo mahal lang ng konti. At itatry namin yun guys later. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Warm up lang yun guys. Since dito na kami magdi-dinner ay naghanap na kami kaagad ng pwedeng makainan guys kasi nagrereklamo na yung isa kong kapatid na kumain na daw muna kami kasi gutom na siya at mamaya na daw kami maglibot-libot. Kung bawal sa inyong pork guys ay no worries dahil madaming vendors dito na halal foods ang in-offer at isa na dito ay yung kinainan namin. Madami silang options. Meron silang fish like bangus and tilapia and they also have squid at syempre all parts ng chicken. Kaya na bahala anong bet yung kainin.
Sa old market.
While waiting, grabe, nagkakagulo na yung mga tao dito guys sa kanilang order kasi mahirap na po makaupo pag madami ng customer kaya inagahan talaga namin ang pagpunta dito. So, the best time to visit here is at 6 p.m. para makapwesto kayo dito sa mga kainan para hindi na kayo magantay pa kung kailan makaka-vacant ng tables. I remember noong nagbukas post-pandemic ay sobrang haba talaga ng pila at take note, sa entrance pa lang yon dahil isa lang po ang entrance ng panahon na yon at kailangan pa pong tumingin sa napakalaking CCTV or camera. Sino po ang naka-experience nun? Comment below! Pero now, ma-entrance na po sa gitna ng kalsada which is more convenient. Yung seaweed pala ay libre, kaya nung ito ay hinain sa amin ay nagtaka kami kasi hindi naman kami nag-order nito guys. Masarap naman ang seaweed nila guys, paired with suka, I would rate it as 7 out of 10. For the bangus, it cost you 150 pesos. Maganda siya kasi boneless, hindi ka na mahihirapan pang kumain at baka ikaw ay matinik ng buto. I would rate it as 9 out of 10. For chicken liver, I think it was around 30 pesos. Hindi ko na maalala guys. Maganda ang paggaluto at hindi siya hilaw. So I would also rate it as 9 out of 10.
Ayun na pag-rice kay diet out. Ano nga diet? Bitaw ikaw. Ikaw pag sugunan pa yung hindi mo payat ikaw. Kuman bato na. Ako na. Gigagat Manila payat ikaw. Laong mo kayo.
As promised, pinuntahan na po namin ang recommendation ng kapatid ko na masarap na chicken skin dahil hindi ako na-satisfy sa unang chicken skin na nabili ko. Medyo mahal lang siya guys, nasa 60 pesos ang cup pero madami naman siyang laman.
Claro, claro.
Tagpila, tagpila.
Masarap to guys sa kanila. Kanina, sobrang tigas. Sobrang tigas. Ito sobrang crispy at saka sobrang soft.
Ay, pag-is mo guys. Pag-is mo guys.
Close na. Sakto na kagad sa kanila.
Ice cream.
Next, we'll try ice cream. Alam niyo ba guys na may sikat na ice cream na nagtitinda dito prior pandemic at pinipilahan talaga siya ng mga tao. Hinahanap namin at sadly ay hindi na pala sila business partner ng may-ari ng store na to.
Kuha na yung makuha. Ay, ako ba yun? Ma'am.
Kasi noong punta ko dito ay may signage pa na Mang Dani. So, bumili pa rin kami kahit iba na yung may-ari. At surprisingly, same pa rin naman ang lasa ng ice cream nila.
Lasang-lasang avocado. Nangibabaw yung lasa ng avocado.
This is a must try guys. Napaka-flavorful ng lasa. Yung angat na angat talaga ang lasa ng avocado ice cream at napaka-creamy niya.
Yes, ma'am. 700. Hi.
If you're visiting Davao City and love food, you should check out Rojas Night Market. Here are my top recommendations. First, try the barbecue. My favorites are bangus and chicken liver. Next, grab some dessert or refreshing drink. There are many choices to try something you like. Hindi ka makakadiet dito guys. Sa dami ng options na pwedeng kainin. Rojas Night Market doesn't just offer food, you can also shop for mobile accessories, bags, and ukay or secondhand items there. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food and travel adventures.